Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rosie. Here you can see this is a Redmi 5. Let's check the specification of this ROM. Here you can see, and you will get Android version 11 in this ROM. This is for Redmi 5. This is the Arrow OS version 11.0. This is the Arrow OS ROM, unofficial ROM. 5 January security patch. I have already made the video of this ROM, so I will not tell all the features of this ROM. I will also test the gaming. I will test the PUBG. Here you can see I have already installed in the PUBG game in this ROM. So kernel is installed, light kernel is installed, and you will get the Friday January 22 security build date, and security patch is 5 January. Let's check the features, upper features only. First, Wi-Fi is working, Bluetooth is working. Here you can see Bluetooth audio device is connected, so there is no problem. Wi-Fi is working perfectly, hotspot is also working perfectly, and the battery performance of this ROM is good. Let's check the battery usage. Here you can see this is the usage of 42 minutes PUBG Mobile share me used, and the battery performance of this ROM is good. Battery temperature is 20 degrees Celsius right now. Here you can see battery percentage is also available, 78% battery left. So here you can see brightness level is working perfectly, no problem in the brightness level. Dark theme, here is the dark theme, you can turn it off also. Here is the color bucket is also available, you can choose the style. Pure dark is also available, so don't worry, each and every feature is available. Night light is also working, no problem in the night light, you can easily adjust. Styles, there are a few features in the styles and wallpapers, so you can adjust it according to your use, or each and every feature is working. The lock screen charging info is also available. There is no fingerprint unlock when you reboot your device. Fingerprint unlock is also available. There is no always on display from lock screen. As I have seen, double tap to is working, double tap to wake is working perfectly. Status bar items, here is the status bar item. Geo is already installed. Geo and BSNL is working perfectly, no problem in the Geo and BSNL. Volt is also working perfectly. Here you can see you can enable the volt from here, but it will take few minutes to enable the volt icon, but it is working perfectly. Weather is also available. Let's check the sound quality is good in this ROM, no problem in the sound, you can easily enjoy the sound, but the ringtones are very low, but the sound is good. Volume panel on the left is also available, so you can, touch sound is also working right now. You will not hear touch sound because Bluetooth is on, and the vibration is also working perfectly. Here you can see notification, there is no setting. Here you can see there is no font available right now. Here privacy storage 6.40, but there are few applications installed, so that's why it is not 6.40 right now, but there are few applications like Call of Duty application is also available in the storage, so that's why it is showing 6.40, and the PUBG is already installed. Let's check the fingerprint, how fast is the fingerprint, speed of the fingerprint in this ROM, new update. All the changes will be written in the description, so you can check the description also. Touch sensor, here you can see you have to flash the open gaps, it is not included in this ROM. So let's check the speed. Tap open, speed of the fingerprint is very fast, lightning fast speed, so no problem in the fingerprint speed related. You can easily detect the fingerprint without any problem. Google account, I have already logged in, so it's working perfectly, no problem in the Google account. Location is also working perfectly. Here are the few gestures: open quick camera, disable the torch, system navigation bar is also available, 2 button also available, so don't worry. Here you can see it is working perfectly. Fingerprint to swipe to screenshot is also available, 3 finger screenshot. Here you can see it was perfectly. Double tap to sleep on the status bar is also available. Here you can see it was perfectly without any problem, so you will not face any bug or issue in this ROM, so you can use it for gaming. I will tell you later. I have already made the video, so you can check that features review also. Here you can see if you want to install the PUBG by local or self, so you have to root your device, so there is, so you cannot access the data storage or OBB folder without root. In this ROM, in the root browser is installed. Here can, these are the YouTube is already installed, so I have not flashed any application or anything. Let's check the MyGeo application whether it works or not. As I know, I have already tested, it does not work. MyGeo application does not work, and your other application will not be working, as my device is rooted right now, so it will not work. If you uninstall the Magisk, it will work perfectly, no problem. Right now safety net is not passed as my device is rooted, so there will be some issue regarding safety net. It is not available right now. Here you can see safety net is not passed, failed response, payload validation failed. Safety net is not passed in this ROM when you have rooted my device. Let's check the Play Store whether it is certified or not. Device is certified. Here you can see my device is certified. I have done nothing to certify my device. It is already pre-certified. Let's check the AnTuTu benchmark test also. How much is the score? Here you can see. Let me show you. Here you can see 85,862 score, 37,000 CPU performance, and the GPU 9400, 24,000 memory performance. Here you can see, and increase in the temperature 24.7 degree highest, 2% drop in the battery, and the battery performance is good. There is not much drop in the battery, and the temperature is not increasing. There is no heating issue while playing games also. So these are the clocks. Here is the clock. Camera is also available. Here you can see this is the camera, simple camera. So you can install the Google camera also. Let's check the PUBG mobile test. You can check the full review of this ROM in the description. Video link will be in the description. You can check the full review. Now let's check the gaming performance of our ROM. Redmi 5. Here you can see Redmi 5. Sorry, here is our device. Let's check the gaming performance. Here you can see gaming performance is that my device is lagging right now when the enemy came near me, but right now it's working perfectly without any problem. Here you can see in the starting you will see the lag. After that onwards our game will be perform very smoothly. Our game will perform very smoothly, so don't worry. Game performance is good in this ROM, not bad. Here you can see the overall performance of the gaming is good in this ROM. You will not face any problem, but you will face the problem in the starting when you open the game, launch the game for the first time. But the overall performance and my graphics settings are full in my device right now. Let me show you. Here you can see setting. Let's say the graphics, and the graphics is 100% full balanced. HD is not available in my device. Medium low, here you can see it is full. Normal data space, here you can see. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.